welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I will be talking about things that are my current favorite things that I've been using from like past 1 month, 2 months, or maybe even 15 days, something that I'm really enjoying. I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to leave the list and link of everything in the description box below so that it is handy for you. Let's quickly get started, guys. I'm so super duper excited to be talking about a really nice product that I've been using for like over 3 weeks now. And today I'll be talking about this particular product by Mamaearth, which is called as Skin Correct Face Serum. Now I have spoken about different types of face serums from Mamaearth. I have spoken about the Skin Illuminate Face Serum, which has turmeric and vitamin C, and I've also spoken about the one that has hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil. I'll leave link of it over here. You can go ahead and watch that. But today I'll be talking about one which is very suitable for a skin like mine, which is oily, which is acne prone, which is uneven, a little bit of pits from acne as well. So this one is doing me really good and I really want to talk about it. I've saved the cardboard box to show you guys that this product actually comes in a packaging like this, and I simply love the packaging of it. It's a glass bottle, guys. This is actually Skin Correct Face Serum. This product, this serum, is such a holy grail. It is so good, mostly because of its ingredients. First of all, it has niacinamide because it's so hard to pronounce. Second, it has ginger extract. It also has zinc in it along with glycerin. So the concoction of these 4 products is amazing in this particular small little bottle. First of all, because niacinamide is really good in order to shrink the pores, especially if you're over 25, this kind of a serum will be really good. It shrinks the pores, it evens out the skin tone, and also because it has ginger extract, it kind of deals with the hyperpigmentation. It also repairs the cells of the skin. This product is 30 ml and this is priced at rupees, I think, 599. But before I proceed and talk about this really amazing serum, I want to talk about Mamaearth. A lot of you often ask me, Sana, is it an Indian company? What is the deal with Mamaearth? So basically, guys, why I promote Mamaearth and why I talk so much about their products is because, first of all, it is the time when you have to be really vocal about the local brand. So it's hashtag vocal for local brands. Mamaearth is an Indian brand, and because they maintain really high standards and good quality of the products, this is one product that I love using. Also, one thing, if you're concerned, all the products by Mamaearth are PETA certified. These are cruelty free. They use all the natural things to make their products. Apart from that, everything is chemical free. All the products are chemical free. Their products are meant for all the skin types. These are dermatologically tested as well, so you can very safely definitely use all their products. So coming back to this particular face serum, so as the name itself says, it is a Skin Correct Face Serum. It definitely corrects the skin. I had a lot of acne issues. I get really hormonal and get a lot of acne around my chin area, and from the time I'm using it, it's been really good. Apart from that, not only does it kind of suppress the appearance of the acne, it also reduces the acne marks to a great extent. It comes with this kind of a dropper. This is a glass bottle, so you have to be careful and mindful of that. This is only a 30 ml bottle, but you do not need a lot of it. All that I do is take out the product using the dropper, and just 2 to 3 drops is more than enough. It has this serum like consistency. It is not definitely watery. It is slightly runny and it is almost like a clear gel. Like, it's not gel, but it is liquidy. Just take out a few drops of it, just apply and massage it into your skin in circular motion till all the serum is kind of absorbed, and it is like really nice. It feels so good and so nice, and it instantly absorbs into the skin. It doesn't leave a trace of any kind of greasiness. It is not tacky, it is not irritating, and it has a really nice, really nice pleasant fragrance, which is so good. So I would definitely recommend this product. Definitely use it. It is going to give you really good results, especially if you have acne marks, especially if you have oily skin and you're really concerned about using different kind of products if you have sensitive skin like I do. Now there are 2 more serums in this range which I've already spoken about. One is with hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil, and the other would be with vitamin C and turmeric, and these 2 I have already reviewed. I really like the vitamin C one with turmeric. This is also very good if you need some skin brightening and all of that, and currently I'm using this and I'm really liking it. So this product I would highly recommend. All the Mamaearth products are available on a lot of different websites such as Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, their own website which is mamaearth.in, and it is always available on discount. You can use the coupon code which is flashing on the screen for you, and if you use this coupon code you'll get 20% off if you shop their products from mamaearth.in. So that was the first and the number one product in my favorites so far list. The next would be this watch. So if you've been following me, and if you've seen my Myntra haul, the latest one, you know that I got this Dressberry watch. This is a really nice watch. It has a navy strap, and I love watches. I think they're my favorite accessory, and since the time I got it, I'm really like wearing it every single day, and it was very affordable. It was only for I think 990 rupees, and this is my favorite. So every time I'm deciding my clothes for the day, I decide my outfit as per this watch. I really love this watch. It has a strap, and it looks super nice and super officey and stuff. So if you're looking for a cheap watch, not really cheap in terms of it looks, but you know, affordability factor, you can go for this one. I really love it. Next up, I have a perfume. Now one of you, when I did my Zara video, one of you suggested me to try out Pougy Magnolia by Zara. Oh my god, thank you so much. I was really ignorant of this fragrance, even though it smells very similar to Rasasi's Twinkle. I have not smelled Chloe, but now after, you know, having a sniff of it, I'm so inquisitive to, you know, own a bottle of Chloe. But then this one is such an affordable version of Chloe, I think, because everybody has been raving about it, and everybody has been saying that this is such an affordable, almost exact like dupe of Chloe. This smells so good, fresh, clean, floral, and it is a happy fragrance. It is so good, guys. You can use it during the day, you can use it it's actually a day fragrance. It's a beautiful day summer spring fragrance, but I would not really mind it using in the night as well. I loved it so much that I was like, my god, if it goes out of stock, what will I do? So I got myself another box of this one. There's another box of this one, and this is the one that I'm using. I would definitely recommend. I mean, I'm not really sure, everybody has a different taste, but I really love Pougy Magnolia. I've purchased few more perfumes from Zara, and the video of that will be coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. Next up, these shoes. Now I've been wearing these a lot. I got it during the Myntra sale. This was not a part of haul, but I couldn't resist opening it and wearing it. It's a very simple shoe. Like, it has a bow, it is very glossy black, and the heels are like just 1 inch of heel, and it has this golden metal thing here in the front. This is by Elle. This is dirty, I'm sorry, but these are so comfortable and these are so classy. Just try giving these shoes a go. You can wear it with jeans, trousers, skirts, shorts, whatever. Like, you can wear them for formal occasions, you can wear them casually, and it also has a little bit of heel, so you get a little bit of body posture as well. I think it's so good. This by Elle, of course. I'll leave a link of it in the description box below. They also have one in a nude color, but I have too much nudes now, so I went for the black one. Really like it. It's very comfortable, and this was priced at I think around 1100 or something after the discount. Next up, I have nail paint. This is by Miniso, and I really love this shade. I don't know what the shade is called as. This is Miniso Pitura Nail Polish 30 Matte Nude. I'm not sure what it says, but it's a really nice, you know, very beautiful nude color. It's like almost the color of the nails, but better. Really like it. It lasts, it doesn't chip for 3-4 days. I do housework basically, chadu, puja, bartan and all, so this just lasts on me like for 3-4 days without actually chipping to a great degree. It does chip like every day, thoda, but like noticeable chipping happens after 3-4 days, so that's when I remove it and reapply it, and I think I would be buying it again. This is just for 90 rupees, so I kind of really like it. It's not that expensive as well. Next, okay, so I'm always kind of a, you know, makeup brush kind of a person. I was always hesitant of trying makeup sponges till I tried this one. This is by Colorbar, and this is called as Colorbar Blenditude. Now, the reason I don't use a makeup sponges is because I feel they are unhygienic, they are damp most of the time, and if you don't dry them well, they will kind of, you know, have fungus in them, they'll go bad, they'll turn moldy, all of that. So that's why. But this one is really good because it dries super quickly. You just dip it into the water and it just, you know, swells up to a really big size, and it's so spongy, very squishy, and it's super duper easy to apply your makeup with. I really like this, and it is so affordable. I paid I think $1.99. Affordable in the sense that when you compare it with the price of other beauty blenders can be really expensive. This is for $199, and if you're lucky and you can get a good deal after some discount, this is super affordable, and it is almost out of stock all the time. So I saw this one in stock, so I kept a backup of this one. It is not usually this clean. I cleaned it up for the purpose of the video, but it is so easy to clean it, and it is so easy to use it. I just clean it using my face wash, so I don't use any special liquid or anything to clean it, and it is so easy to apply your makeup. It is amazing, guys. Next is something that I really want to talk about. Basically, lockdown mein all my cotton pads, my cotton swabs were over, and I couldn't get them because e-retail companies were not working, the shops were shut. So one thing that came in really handy was this purchase of mine that I got from Mini. So these are wash cloths. So these are basically microfiber cloths. I got them for super cheap, like I think 170 or 160 rupees. I got 3 of these, and these are so easy to remove your makeup with. I mean, this is so dirty, can you see? I use it every single day, and this is sustainable. So after every use I just wash it, and it is so easy to dry. I keep 2, तो एक जब सूख रहा होता है, so I'm using the other one. So it is like super handy, it is sustainable, and I no longer have to buy the cotton swabs or the cotton pads, you know. So this is really good if you're looking for a sustainable option to remove your makeup with. This is really good. Yes, it cannot really remove your nail paint, because I think when you remove the nail paint, it sticks on and it doesn't really go when you wash it. So that's the only problem. But for face makeup, washcloths are amazing. You don't have to be worried about buying cotton swabs or cotton pads all the time. Next up, okay, I have to talk about these 2 products. Even though Shein is banned, and these are like my old purchases, I got them around in March, and I have a lot of stuff sitting at my home, but I'm not going to do a video on that. But yes, 2 things that I'm really enjoying, and maybe you can definitely buy it on Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra. These are these really nice, you know, rose gold looking book stands. I hope this is what it is called. So I do not have a lot of bookshelves or book racks in my house. So if I am supposed to use the table space, I can just keep it there, and then I can arrange my books like this accordingly, and it just holds it perfectly. It looks super good. It is in the shape of a star, and it can hold like a maximum of I think 7 to 8 books depending on the thickness, and it is super sturdy, very good quality, and it was I think for around 500 rupees only. So it was not very expensive, because it also adds to the decor value of the house, and it is also functional. I think this would be a good investment. Something like this would be a good investment. So I super duper love it. Since the time I've got it, I always make it a point that I do not throw my books here and there. I neatly stack them here. Next up, along with that, I got this really nice, you know, basket, which is beautiful rose gold metallic, and it is so good to actually, you know, hold your knickknacks, smaller things, maybe your perfumes and stuff. And this was also I think for somewhere around 200 rupees. So I really like it. These 2 are really my favorite, you know, home decor stuff. Next is a small little clutch that I got from Myntra haul. Is this one. Now I got it for around 380 rupees or something from the Myntra's sale that happened during the EORS, and I've been using it, and it is so handy. I don't really have to carry a sling. I have become a lazy person to carry bags, so this is the only thing that I carry, and it just holds a lot of stuff. There's cash, there are some earphones, and a lot of other things in this bag, and it's super duper handy. So I simply love this you know, clutch or a pouch, or it's just so good. I just like it. So this is definitely my favorite, and the colors are so pleasing and soothing to the eyes. Simply love this so much. The next, and I think the most favorite thing in this particular video of mine, is this really nice eatable thing. This is something I think when I used to do a lot of Amazon snacks haul, I showed you guys this Bolly's Moonfills, and I used to buy tons of these, you know, but then I had put on a lot of weight. I still have put on a lot of weight, but I simply love this vanilla version. They have come out with mango, strawberry, orange, the new flavors in this Bolly's Moonfills, but I'm stuck to the vanilla version. Try giving the vanilla one a try. This is my favorite. This is one thing that I've been eating every single day since past 2 or 3 months, and these are available right now on Big Basket. So every time it is back in stock, I just hoard up on this one. It's so good, it's so delicious, and the flavor of vanilla is like amazing. It doesn't taste artificial, you know. Generally it is only for 15 rupees. So generally for fillings of a snack of this price tastes a little artificial, but the filling of this vanilla, no, the filling of this particular croissant, I think is creamy with a very authentic taste of vanilla. I love this so much. Try giving this one a try if you're not already. And if you have any nice snack recommendation, I'm looking forward to it. Please do let me know in the comment section below. So that was it in this particular video of mine, guys. This was my favorite so far. I don't intend to do monthly favorites because I don't consume so many products. But yes, I try to bring this kind of a video once in a while. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you find it useful. I hope the reviews are useful for you. The links and everything will be in the description box below. So be sure to check them out. Of course, if you want to try any of these products. And yes, do not forget to be subscribed to my channel. You can hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification as well. Comment in the comment section below about your favorite thing in this particular in this particular favorites of mine. And yes, I'm looking forward to know your favorite one thing or two things, or a list of things. I would be delighted to know your favorites. So let's just hang out in the comment section. Let's chat there, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much, guys. Bye bye.